Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to kind of give you a little rough start of how to do some scoring with the Pygame library. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and click the Pygame playlist that is straight above us right here so you can get to this same area. So what you're going to do for scoring is, one, you're going to want to have a variable for keeping up with score. Then to actually get it out on the screen to display is you're going to want to look at these three videos right here, 312, 318, and 328. This is how you control the font, the color, and the size of the information that you're going to be putting out on the screen, and location. So four, I guess. Location, color, style, the font, and then the size of it. So all right, but you're going to need to go into the font module, and then you can get fonts, or you can then even control more here with sys font. But what I'm going to recommend you doing is having some sort of update inside your player class with the sprites, and then have that variable be global where it goes in and out. I am going to do this, but it's going to take probably a week before I get around to this, because there's just a few things ahead that I need to wrap up. But there, like I said, there's quite a few requests for this video. So if 4 or 5 individuals are writing about it, there's probably 30 or 40 that are actually wanting to see this. So I wanted to get this video out pretty quick. But you have your variable for score. Then when an action happens, whatever is determined for that action, in your update score, and then have that message then be tied to a display with font and put that out to the screen. So I wanted to get this information to you as quickly as possible, and there's been quite a bit of interest about Pygame, so we're probably going to be working back with that. So there, just wanted to get this out today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate all the feedback. Been kind of surprised how much interest there is in Pygame. I think there's a lot of assignments out there in the programming school world. But thank you as always. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.